Craving something sweet but don't eat eggs? These eggless granola cookies are crispy, chewy, and packed with flavor, with just the right amount of sugar to satisfy your sweet tooth. Let's bake magic in under 15 minutes. Mix ground flaxseed powder and water in a small bowl. Keep aside for 10 minutes. In a large bowl, sieve all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Sieve all the dry ingredients twice. Keep it aside. In a large mixing bowl, take unsalted butter, brown sugar, castor sugar, vanilla essence, and flaxseed egg. Now beat until they are blended really well. You can use a stand mixer at a medium speed or a hand blender or a spatula for the same. Use a silicone spatula to scrape the sides of the bowl and beat again till nice and fluffy mixture. Now add the dry ingredients, granola and chopped chocolate. Now mix with hand. Mix until the mixture forms a dough. You can also use an electric mixer. Mix thoroughly until well combined. The final dough will be thick and heavy. Cover the bowl with a cling wrap and put in the fridge for half an hour. Line a baking tray with a parchment paper or baking paper. Use an ice cream scoop or a large spoon to scoop out equal size cookie balls. Flatten them a little with your fingers. Don't squash them down too much. In place of chopped chocolates, you can add a handful of chopped nuts like walnuts or pecans. This will give an extra crunch. Place them a few inches apart since they will spread. Bake on a center rack at 160 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes or until edges turn slightly golden. Be careful not to burn them. Remove from oven and cool for 5 minutes. Use a spatula to transfer the cookies to a cooling rack and cool completely. Place the cool cookies in an airtight container. Cookies will remain in an airtight container for about a week or refrigerate for 2 weeks or freezer up to 6 months. If you love this recipe, just wait till you see what's coming next. Hit the subscribe button and don't miss the next delicious bite.